What's up, everybody? It's the Welding Machine coming back to you guys with another video. Alright guys, today's video is going to be on another, yes, Bauer tool. So that extends our Bauer collection. A Bauer grinder. We also got a Bauer one of these, and now an impact. These are our Bauer collections. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. I'm going to put this back up in the box. Put that back in the bag. Put that back in the bag. Put the grinder back over here. Alright, so we got everything. Pull out our trusted blade. Open up this box. I know you guys like my short. You guys, let me know in the comments, guys, if you like my short 5-minute product reviews. Let me know. Leave them in the comments down below. All right. So we got the box. So before we open it up, what we already did, you got the Bauer 20-volt lithium Hypermax lithium battery. Produces 3,000 impact per minute. Torque is 450 bolt break away torque. Tool only, 3.amp-hour battery use for best results. And here they got all the tools that you can get. Then they got this right here, helpful information. I'm gonna keep it here so you guys can see it. Okay. All right. So now we're gonna crack this puppy open. See what's inside. So I'm gonna take this. Okay. So this must be a clip. Obviously, let's see. So this is what we got. Bauer impact. This is what it looks like, guys. It's nice and heavy. It's really top heavy. I can feel it. Alright, so heavy. As you can tell, this one don't come with no lights on the front. There's no lights. There's a LED light right here. I'm gonna hook the battery up. Alright, so first off that I think about it, just looking at it, LED light comes on, but it comes on. Heavy, top heavy, really good. You can smell the brushes in there. It's heavy duty, it's really heavy up top. We'll go over things you can use for this in another video with all three of them. We already did this one. This is an older video that we did. So, here's our Bauer collection, guys. It's slowly building up. Slowly building up. All of them are great tools. They each have their own purpose. I'm not gonna say that this is better for everything, because it's not. This is more towards light duty. This is more towards. We'll figure out what this is more towards. We're gonna test it out on. Use it throughout all my videos, and this is gonna be on my welding truck. As far as tools wise go. This one has its own purpose too. I mean, this is smaller, smells good, everything works great. This have its own purpose. Each one of these tools have their own purpose. Each tool has a limitation. So yes, if you cheap out and buy something. Oh, also these are on sale for $89.99 from Harbor Freight. So you might want to go peep that out. I'll leave the coupon thing in the description because it ends the 30th of September. So just letting you guys know, these is on sale. It was originally $119, but I got it for $89.99. Everything else here is not on sale, but this is on sale right now. So stop watching this video, pause it, go get yourself one of these impacts, and leave a comment down below. I'll leave everything in the description, and I'll put this tool back. Alright guys, so pretty much, yeah, so the impact, I would say, be mostly like taking off tires, not high torque bolts, because I've seen videos that say it's not good for high torque bolts, so I'm not going to say it can take off anything. Just make sure it's custom fit to what you're going to probably use it for. So if you're going to need something a little bit more, you can always go with an earthquake. That's probably going to be my next thing I'm going to buy in the future, is earthquake impact. But Pick the tools that best suit your needs. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you're new, hit that notification bell and every time I post. And there is 93% of you guys that are watching these videos that are not subscribed. So please now, pause the video and go subscribe now. Thank you. And thank you to everybody that's watching my videos. Y'all have a blessed day.